It has come to my attention that Abdihakim Osman Nur, a very notorious blogger who has mastered the art of extorting money through fraudulent means through social media, is a big-time scammer. It was until yesterday where I didn't know more about him when I gave Abdihakim Osman a particular article about Ahmed Rashid, whom I required him to do the task as an active influencer to expose the ill-doings of Ahmed Rashid, the killer cop. Surprisingly enough, he agreed to do the job and demanded to have payment first, of which I paid him $480 to perform the job and expose Ahmed Rashid, the extortionist and killer cop. It's after the payment was done when I liased with Abdihakim, the blogger, about starting the job, and he became extremely ruthless and provocative about the inquiry. This later turned out to be another scammer and an extortionist, as he started issuing me tragedy threats on how they have been looking for me for a very long time, claiming out they will search for me and send a hit squad to cold murder me with his team. This blogger is truly a thug and a very cold-blooded Somali hidden in social media, whom I believe is working for Ahmed Rashid. On his cover-up stories, not depicting the real picture of how the organs being led by Ahmed Rashid are running the economy of Islam via cartel-based squad, doing all manner of illegalities, from extorting, threats, and even cold-blood murders, where they get protection from highly provide, where connect individuals from government whom they share the loot and extorted money from hard-working business people. Abdihakim Osman Nur, the serial extortionist and scammer, is part of the cartel.